Right, so welcome back to another video on Twigs T4. Carrying on with the van. Well, I'll say we're carrying on with the van. Going to do some modifications today. Needed help, a little bit of advice with some electrical connectors. We'll get into that in a moment. First of all, most importantly, I'd like to thank everyone. Thank you all for not only just watching the videos, but subscribing and the messages over Christmas and the New Year. Many of you don't know, but last year was quite a struggle for me for different reasons, not just for COVID. Those close to me know what I'm talking about. If everyone else, I'm sorry, but yeah, it was a tough year last year. Yeah, so first of all, let's get and see the little plastic clips, because I need your help with these plastic clips. One of the plastic clips I can't find. I could probably get it from VW, but I was hoping to get everything off eBay or, you know. So let's go roll that clip and I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so let's have a look down here, and this is the issue that I've got. So one of the connectors goes onto the alternator. This one here goes into the water housing unit, and this is the one that I can't find on eBay. I can't see any part number on it, but yeah, so I need to replace that one. Need to replace this one. This one I can find on eBay, and the other one here, this is the one that goes to the alternator, and I can find that one as well. But that rectangle one, cannot find it, not for love nor money. And I don't really want to go to Volkswagen, because I expect they'll charge me an arm and a bloody leg. So yeah, but you can see the wires are broken inside. It's terrible, it's really bad. And again, on the 4-pin plug, some of the wires are actually completely broken. Yeah, look, nice close up there. Yeah, so if anyone knows where I can get the actual rectangle style plug, not that semicircle moon, half moon style rectangle one, I don't know how you explain it. Yeah, so I need to get this done, because those bits of the wiring have gone brittle and broken, and all the it just needs replacing in places, like that plastic conduit. Well, JVS Auto Electrical, I will be requiring your services once I have those pins. Happy days. Right, back to me in the garage. Oh, you're back already? Yeah, so hopefully after watching that you can help me out find that little blue connector that I need. So let's modify this. Right, so couple of problems I've noticed. I don't like how that you can't do any fine adjustment when it's under load. You've got to take it off, do the adjustment, and then back in, and it's just a little bit awkward from that angle. I don't know if you can see, it's just awkward, it's a bit tight, and it could probably do with oiling up. It is well tight actually. That's not good, is it? Maybe that's why I was struggling with it, because it is really tight. Yeah, so what's happened is I kind of mullered it. I was trying not to swear then, because I couldn't do that final. It was too, from that angle, trying to push it round, it was quite hard. I might WD lube it all up in a minute. But what I ended up doing is I've cross-threaded this somehow, because this nut got jammed up against tight because of the angle, and it's kind of locked on there at the moment. So what I'm going to do is, I do have some stud bar already. It's that'll do the job. It'll do the job. So I'm going to modify this end as well as modifying this end. So let's get on with it. Right, this is what I've done so far. So I'll put a few welds on there. Well, only tack the top here, it's a bit, you can't really see very well, can you? Or can you? Yes, I've just tacked the inside there, this bottom bit's all fully welded up. It looks a bit shit, but I should have set my welding machine up first and screen. I should have tried setting it up first, but I just went straight on and just went and went ah. So it was probably set up for some thin sheet metal, which is why it was a nightmare. So I just turned it right up and just blasted it. So that's the bottom end done. All I've done, bit of square bar, box section. Yeah, extended that. So just got to do this top bit here now. Like that. Then I can adjust it. Ooh. Right, so this is the finished product. Yep, so this is it, all done. Happy days. Yeah, well, sorry I'm not talking much, and just doing everything by one hand, which is a little bit harder than what it looks. Right, so that goes onto there, and I did use the cylinder head and have a test. I think it's about there. And then that will close up. Yep, and that goes in lovely. The right length. I know it doesn't look very good, does it? Oh yeah, no. Ooh, look at that. Oh, terrible welding. Actually, it's not too bad. I just got to get some paint, some metal paint, so I can paint that up. And that's it. That's it. Job done. So if you want to see me use this, I will be using it when I put the cylinder head back together. And cylinder head. Let's discuss cylinder head next time, because the cylinder head is down there, and I'll tell you what is going on with that. Well, I can tell you what's been done. It's already back from the machine shop already, mate. It was that, yeah, mate, he done it straight away. As soon as I went down there, he done it just like that, tested it all and went, yeah, that's fine, mate, there you go, happy days. Mate, sweet as a nut. Wood mill engines, there you go. Right, but yeah, we'll talk about that next time. I'm going to leave it here. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Take care, stay safe, God bless.